Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to New Jersey, New Brunswick, a small rural community tucked away in the heart of eastern Canada. As we drive through, you'll notice the peaceful surroundings, open skies, and the simple charm of country life. This area is part of the province of New Brunswick, which is known for its natural beauty, including rolling hills, dense forests, and winding rivers. The province is largely covered by the Appalachian Mountains, giving the land its gentle, rugged character. New Brunswick is one of Canada's 3 maritime provinces and is unique for being officially bilingual, with both English and French recognized as official languages. The province has a rich cultural heritage, with deep roots in both Indigenous and Acadian communities. The Mi'kmaq and Maliseet peoples have lived here for thousands of years, and their influence can still be felt in place names and traditions. While New Jersey, New Brunswick may not be widely known, it offers a glimpse into the rural heart of the province. It's a place where history, culture, and nature come together to create a unique and tranquil setting.
Thanks for watching!